Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tina's Daily Deals. I'm coming at you with amazing deals from Amazon. Now remember, all the links, codes, and instructions will be in a description box. Now don't you forget to like, share, and subscribe. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. For the first one here, we have a buy one, get one free on these alcohol markers. Simply add 2 of these to your cart, meaning you're going to get 164 markers for just $16.23. Next deal here, we have this Organic Naturals coconut oil, and this is a 32-ounce container, currently price dropped down to just $8. Next deal here, another food item. Here we have the family size RITZ original crackers. This is a 20.5-ounce container, and this one is price drop, but if you subscribe and clip that huge coupon, you can get it for $3, and I believe it was 5 cents. You can cancel anytime. Next one here, we have the Olay wet cleansing wipes. You get 30 in each container, and this one you're getting 3 of them for $5.18. Montana West Crossbody Sling bag. This one is currently price drop right here. I just love this color. It's currently price dropped down to $6.99, but I do believe the lowest was $6.30 right next door. But definitely look through them and see what other colors are price dropped. Now next one here, we have this 36 pairs of gold earrings. You get all of the ones you see on the screen right here. This one is price drop plus coupon plus code, and you can get it for $5.55. Next deal here, we have a price drop on the Adidas women's sportswear sneakers. Regular price for this is $70. It is currently price dropped down to $22.50. Next one here is Requested. This has amazing reviews. It's a 3-pack of women's nursing tank tops, and this one is currently priced at $39.99. Clip the coupon, put in a code, and get it for $19.99 for 3 of them. Now next one here, we have a 3-pack of women's knit crop tops, and this is like a ribbed style, and this is currently price dropped down to $7.99 for 3 of them. Next one here, we have this women's v-neck button casual blouse, and this one we're saving 50% with our code, so these are priced at $14.99. With our code, it's going to be $7.49. Next deal here, great for party favors or those goodie bags. This is a 32-pack of party favors. They're Fidget Keychains, and this one we're saving 50%, bringing it down to $4.49. Next one here, we have the 6-pack of Minoxidil liquid extra strength hair regrowth treatment, and this one regular price for it is almost $30, but it's currently $17.99. Next up, we have this pack of 4 waterproof outdoor or indoor throw pillow covers. These are like boho style and perfect for your patio. Now this one is currently priced at $18.99, but click the coupon, put in a code, and get it for $7.59. Next deal here, we have this electric candle warmer lamp with 2 bulbs, and this one right here comes with a coupon and a code, so it is currently priced at $29.99. Click the coupon, put in a code, and get it for $11.99. Speaking of light, here we have this solar outdoor firefly lights, and this is a 2-pack. They look like so, and this one right here is currently priced at $9.99. With the code, it's going to be $4.99. Next up, we have this LED Sky Galaxy projector. This has amazing reviews and would make an awesome gift. We're saving 70% with our code and coupon, and we can snag this now for $11.99. Next deal here, we have a price drop on this multi-purpose laser level tool. This has amazing reviews, and it's price dropped down to just $9.95. Next deal here was a requested item. This is a 6-inch handheld cordless rechargeable chainsaw, and this is great for cutting down those trees, and it is currently priced at $39.89. Go ahead and clip the coupon, put in a code, and get it for $23.93. Next deal here is a 6-pack of iPhone lightning cable chargers, and this one is currently priced at $19.99. Clip the coupon, put in a code, get all 6 for $3.99. Next one here, we have a price drop on this 32-pack of soap rectangle craft boxes for $4.99. If you know someone who loves Bluey, this hopper ball, sorry, I'm glitching again. It's a 15-inch hopper ball, and this one is price dropped down to $9.98. Next deal here, if you're going to Disney, this is perfect. This has amazing reviews. Here we have these small mini backpacks, and you get to choose from so many different colors, and they even have themed ones, like ones with clouds on there. So definitely check this link out, and this is how they look, but you do get more options. Just trust me. Go ahead and click the link, but you can get it for as low as $12.20. $4.23 with the code. Next one here is a Children's Place Boys Short Sleeve Graphic T-shirts, and this one is a set of 2 for $5.68. Now, last deal for this video was a requested one. It's a kids luggage set, and this has a cute little puppy on there just as requested. It's currently priced at $69.97, but with the code, it's going to be $45.48. As always, my lovelies, I hope these deals help. Now run, but be sure to come back to the comment section and let us know what you snagged.